What's up everybody, it's Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix, and I'm going to show you PAILs and rails today for the internal and external hip rotators. So a lot of people really struggle with hip mobility, both internal and external rotation. So this would be external femoral rotation or hip rotation, and then this would be internal rotation of the same leg. And what we're going to show you is basically a contract relax technique. And you're getting a 90-90 position. We're going to focus just on the front leg to start. Because what I want you to understand is the concept of pushing into the floor, and we're going to use that to actually help mobilize and elongate and free up that hip capsule in the external rotators first. So I'm going to push down into the floor, starting with just about 20% pressure into the floor. Now, if you're really mobile, you can actually sit straight up. I'm not there yet, it's still a work in progress. So I'm gonna keep pushing 20%, 30%, 40% to about 20 seconds of holds until I get as much as I can push into that pressure. And then if I'm pretty mobile and have good control, I'm gonna flip that. And you can see that I'm bringing that leg up off the floor. Now, if we're looking at the opposite leg, we can do the same thing by pushing down into the floor with the inside of my knee. 20%, 30%, 40%. Keep going, build your way up. Maybe 10, 15, maybe 20 seconds max. And then we're gonna do the opposite by trying to engage the external hip rotators and raise that leg off the floor in the back. And when you get good at that, you just kind of rotate to the opposite side and switch. We can do them together. So I'm pushing the front leg down into the floor here, the back leg down into the floor here. You can kind of cut down on your time. So we're actively engaging those hip external rotators and then doing the opposite here. Again, do that in the back leg and start just kind of pairing that with that hip ground rotation drill I've already showed you in the video previously. You can check those out on the YouTube channel. 2minutefixvideos.com will jump you right to the YouTube channel. And that's PAILs and rails for the hips. It's been Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix. See you next time.